Hey DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting and creative episode. Ready to pamper your skin with a natural homemade treat? Today we're diving into the world of DIY skincare. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own aloe vera skin cream right at home. It's a fun and rewarding process, it's super easy, budget-friendly, and packed with skin-loving benefits. Plus, you'll know exactly what's going into your skincare. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why aloe vera is a superstar for your skin. Aloe vera is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients are essential for maintaining healthy, glowing skin. It's great for soothing sunburns, moisturizing dry skin, and even helping with acne. Its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce redness and irritation. Basically, it's nature's little miracle plant. You can grow it at home, making it a sustainable option for your skincare routine. Okay, let's jump into the fun part, making the cream. Here's what you'll need: fresh aloe vera gel and Vaseline. Fresh aloe vera gel and Vaseline. These two ingredients are all you need to create a simple yet effective skin cream. That's it, just two simple ingredients. No need for any complicated or expensive products. Start by extracting the gel from a fresh aloe vera leaf. This gel is the star of our cream, packed with all those amazing benefits we talked about. If you've never done this before, don't worry, it's easy. Just follow these simple steps. Just cut off a leaf and slice it open lengthwise. Be careful with the knife, and make sure to get a clean cut. Then, scoop out the clear gel using a spoon. Make sure to get as much gel as possible from the leaf. Pro tip: aloe vera gel can be a bit slimy, so take your time. It's worth the effort for that fresh, natural gel. Next, grab a bowl and add about 2 tablespoons of Vaseline. This will be the base of our cream. Vaseline acts as a fantastic base because it locks in moisture and creates a barrier to protect your skin. It's a tried and true ingredient in many skincare routines. Now add an equal amount of aloe vera gel to the bowl. This combination will give you a perfect balance of hydration and protection. Mix the two together thoroughly until you get a smooth, creamy consistency. Take your time to ensure everything is well blended. And there you have it, your homemade aloe vera skin cream. How to use it? Simply apply a small amount to your skin, especially on dry or irritated areas. This cream is gentle enough for daily use. Rub it in gently until fully absorbed. Your skin will feel instantly hydrated and refreshed. It's a great way to give your skin some extra love and care. One of the best things about this DIY cream is that you can personalize it. Want some extra fragrance? Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, like lavender or tea tree. These oils not only add a pleasant scent, but also have additional skin benefits. Looking for a bit more hydration? Mix in a small amount of coconut oil. Coconut oil is known for its deep moisturizing properties. Mix in a small amount of coconut oil, and there you go. A simple, effective, and all-natural aloe vera skin cream that you made yourself. It's perfect for daily use, and your skin will thank you for it. Consistent use can lead to healthier, more radiant skin. Remember, always do a patch test before using any new products, especially if you have sensitive skin. This helps ensure you won't have any adverse reactions. And consult with a dermatologist if you're unsure about any ingredients. Thanks for watching. Your skin deserves the best care. If you enjoyed this DIY project, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome DIY tips and tricks. Your support helps us bring more fun and informative content. Happy crafting and take care of that beautiful skin. See you next time. Keep glowing and stay creative.